Government of Sindh, in collaboration with the World Bank, launched the Sindh Flood Emergency Rehabilitation Project. The PNDD component of SFERP includes reconstruction of critical road infrastructure, rehabilitation of water supply and drainage schemes, rescue services, and providing the flood affectees a livelihood.
The expansion of Sindh Emergency Services Rescue 1122 stands as a cornerstone of SFERP's efforts, providing critical services to millions. At the heart of Rescue 1122's success are its district headquarters, trauma centers, and strategically placed satellite stations on highways.
Floods also severely damaged the water supply infrastructure. Early assessments highlighted the urgent need to restore this critical infrastructure in Sindh, prioritizing the rehabilitation of water supply schemes in the most affected districts, particularly those with larger populations.
The Sindh Flood Emergency Rehabilitation Project has introduced the Cash for Work intervention. The Cash for Work program is designed to assist the most affected and most vulnerable communities, allowing them to quickly earn cash. Such support enables them to respond to their immediate livelihood needs in return for participating in the restoration of basic rural infrastructure activities.
SFERP, rehabilitating efficiently.